Life isn't always smooth sailing. Regardless if we're winning or failing, we just need to keep prevailing, even through times of unending wailing, painful ailing, insurmountable problem scaling, when waves leave us flailing until we just feel like bailing under the weight of all the troubles assailing. So we're going to need times of reflection, peace inhaling, moments to catch up, exhaling, time alone with God's word, illuminating and unveiling, filling us up with joy and praises hailing, reminding us of His mighty love, forever unfailing. Shalom, you are loved.